Welcome back to episode number 34. Monday's video was made on a request by Swapna, and she was extremely thrilled to know that that particular episode was made for her especially, and of course for everybody who's watching. So today we are going to do a craft work related to dinosaurs and especially T-Rex, and today is going to be about baby T-Rex. So let me quickly take you through the supplies, and what you need is a small piece of kg cardboard, a long strip which I'm going to fold into half. You will need one ice cream stick. You can pick any color that you like. You'll of course need green and orange pencil colors, which I'm going to use, but you can make your T-Rex any color that you would like to. I'm also going to need the black marker pen to show you exactly how the drawing is going to look like. Pencil, eraser, the glue stick, and of course a pair of scissors. And you know that you have to be very careful when you're doing anything using a scissor. And like I have mentioned earlier, always use a newspaper or something when you're doing any craft work. So let's begin. Alright, to start with, we are going to use the sheet of paper which I have divided into, or rather folded into half, and we are going to draw in the inside a shape of an egg. Yes, our baby dinosaur is going to hatch from the egg. Let me quickly draw it and show you how it looks. Ta-da! And this is how the baby dinosaur's egg is going to look. Now, it is time to fold the paper and cut this shape so that we get 2 eggs there. Let's go. Once you cut them, keep one piece aside, and on the other one, we are going to draw a crack from where the baby dinosaur is going to hatch. And I'm going to cut on this line too. And there we go. The baby dinosaur is going to hatch from this one particular egg. After this, let's put this aside and go draw our baby dinosaur. Let's draw the baby dinosaur on this single sheet of paper. I have already drawn one. Let me quickly outline it and show it to you. And this is the baby dinosaur I have drawn. To outline it, I have used a thin marker pen. You could use a sketch pen too. And now it is time to color our baby dinosaur. And after you color your dinosaur, it is time to cut him. Be careful when you're cutting and leave a small edge around the dinosaur, just like how you will see next. Once your dino is ready, it is time to pick any color ice cream stick and paste him right on top like this. Let's do it. We need just a little glue. And alright. We are going to paste the little dino, the baby dino, right on top of the ice cream stick, just like this. Now give it some time so that it dries up. Let's keep our baby dino aside and let's work on the eggs that he's going to hatch from. For this, just take another stick so that you know how much gap you have to leave. Take the whole egg, just keep your stick on that, and the base of the egg, the other egg, we are going to fix it. So when you are fixing it, you have to apply glue only at this edge and on this edge, and leave this free for the baby dino to hatch. And let me quickly do it. I'm going to place it here. And I'm going to apply the glue on the other half and not on the full shell. So just apply a little glue over the edge. And I'm going to paste it right on top of the whole egg. Lovely. Alright. And you can slide your ice cream stick back out. And this is how it will look. I know it's not very clear, but once I finish doing the entire craft, you will see how it will look. Now, it is time to fix the top of the egg. And let me quickly show you how. Allow your dino to go completely inside and leave just a little on top. Now we are going to put a little glue on this and glue the other half of the eggshell right there. Let me show you how. Little glue, little more, so that the eggshell doesn't crack open before we want it to. And I'm going to place the eggshell right on top where we have put the glue on the dino's head and allow it to dry. After it dries, it is time for our baby dino to hatch and come out. Shall we knock at his egg? Knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, it's us, and we are all waiting to see you. All right, here I come. Oh, hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed making your baby dino hatching from his own egg. Until I see you soon, take care.